the fucking promised land. They mad cause I'm doing shit that they can't. But that's on you, bro. Power hour, baby. Gotta make it a power hour stream now, bro. That's crazy. That's how much of my time got wasted. My shit went from lunchtime to power hour. Grind or die, bro. Grinding through all your little fuck shit. Second guess I want you to do, my jerk. Gas a nigga up. Hey. Man, I'm finna put it on the stream, bitch. Little motherfucking, I need a welfare check, bitch. If my Rumble's still on, since I can't check Casper. Look at this. Testing 1 2 3 mic check. Testing 1 2 3 mic check. Testing the levels. Levels are good. Levels are good. What's good, man? It's your boy E coming at you with some finance solutions. Okay. Had a little bit of trouble trying to get this shit live, man. You know, same shit. Same shit, dog. Under attack. It's all good, though. Let's make sure these levels are good. New timeout links. You can now put people in timeout. Who's putting man? I guess. Yeah. If you start getting too much fucking spam in the comments, yeah. What's good, man? Damn. Hey, man. The bearishness, bro, continues, bro. What day was that when I caught that fade right off the open? When was this? I don't know. But bro, just bearish as hell, dude. Like, oh my god. Like, hold up. Let's do some technicals real quick. Let's see what we have. I mean, honestly, like, it seems like we've been consolidating down here for a minute, bro. That's what it looks like to me. Run, run at 359 and a half handle. I'm not really used to this setup. You feel me? But, I mean, clearly we can see the Q's trying its best to hold that. So let's see what happens. But I like the long from here, bro. I actually like the long. Look how long we've been consolidating. And yeah, I got me in a couple of decent trades earlier. I like the long from here, bro. But at the same time, I mean, you have to, you know what I mean, like, obviously have some risk management. You feel me? You gotta be managing your risk. Like, if you're trying to go long down here, bro. But I like the long from down here for the simple fact that, look, we just been consolidating basically all day. You feel me? Look, I don't know why my shit's on military time. Like I said, I don't really use this. I don't really use this setup like that. But I like the long down here. So 359. I like that 360 calls, bro. What you think? Man, that shit ain't set up right. Hold on. Alright, let's close this. Close the preview. Get rid of that so I can see. I don't know. Looking at the heat map though, bro, like, I'm not so sure about those, but if you're gonna go long though, anywhere, you feel me? It would be here. You know what I mean? To try something, but that shit looking super bearish. But I mean, if we find ourselves trending back up here, we could gap fill. You know what I'm saying? Look around here. Like, if we find ourselves trending up, but honestly, like my whole freaking watch list, my heat map or whatever, everything's red, bro. Meta started trending up, almost went front side. Actually did go front side. Yeah, bro. Like, I mean, Amazon's just been looking weak, but Nvidia, for instance, is trying. I like the long down here, bro. I like the long, bro. I'm telling you, 360 calls. 360 calls to the upside. What you think about those? What you think about those? Huh? I like them.
Order filled.
I like them. I like them. Where I got filled at 157, stop 137. Maybe my stop. No, my stop ain't too close. I like the long here, bro. But profit target. First of all, let's do it something like this. Okay. I like the long down here, bro. But I wanna. Oh shit. Let's cancel these.
Order cancelled.
And I wanna set up. Oh. That's what contrarian gets you, bro. Now hold on, just chill, baby. Just chill. It's a lot of consolidation. Let me see how much we down. Okay, about 10 cents on each one. A lot of contracts though. Look, already down 200. Hold on, let me say something real quick. Okay, we're gonna create a bracket here, bro. Okay. We'll be willing to stop out where I got filled at about 158, 160. We'll be willing to stop out maybe like pretty soon here, I guess. That was such a contrarian trade right there. Oh, 130. Okay. And then what about 200? $2. Alright. Yeah. I don't know. But I mean, if we're gonna bounce, and it's like, look, it seems like we've been holding this as support. Now you could look at it like this as well. Hold on, let me make sure I'm not blocking the screen. See, I'm kind of blocking the screen. You could look at it like this as well. Look, the triple bottom. Look, 1, 2, 3, crack. Or we could go 1, 2, 3, bounce. So I mean, I'm just saying, like, we've been consolidating down there for a while, so I feel like if we're gonna maybe try to bounce at any time it be now, but I'm gonna tell you, like, it's not looking good. But look, last time we wicked all the way down here, they liquidity grabbed and we ran up. So why can't that happen again? You feel me? Look down here. Look at us bouncing. See, like, I'm trying to do this in a way where I don't block the damn screen. Hold up. Cause see, look down here, we got as low as 359 and a quarter, and then they grabbed. Like nothing's on my toolbar. Why do I have 359 down there? Oh, just to let me know, like, if we crack that, you know what I mean? Like, that shit over with. Let's see. Because now, what I will say is not looking good because I consider 359.50 is a key level at this point, and we've broken down that. But the flip side to that is if we're able to break back above it, you feel me? That might mean I'm onto something. This risk to reward I know isn't right. Look, 19% for 25%. So we're gonna go ahead and see, that's what happened last time. This bitch way too sensitive. Almost got stopped out. I almost stopped myself out one time. I mean, I actually did, and I took profits when I just from trying to move it, like, cause I got a gaming mouse, I guess. It moves fast or something. Look, if we're gonna bounce anywhere, it's gonna be down here, right? Did I just say that or what? No, we could dump now. Listen, no one, bro. No one has there's only one person that has a crystal ball. You feel me? The VIX. See, the only thing, look, the VIX was fading. It's just, it has a V shape. Look at the VIX. Oh, Lord. See? Seen that dumping? Hey, this a contrarian trade like a mug, bro. But again, I've been done trading for the day, dog. Like, I was done like so early. You feel me? But remember what I said, like, the drawback. Yeah, like, everyone obviously wants to be done trading early. But the drawback to that is you're missing out on vital price action, bruh. And screen time. You need that. You feel me? You need that. There seems to be a lot of resistance on the Qs at around 361. Actually, 360.75s. But look, this is what I was going to show you. Oh, look. We're going to bounce anywhere. It's going to be where? We're consolidating that all damn day. If you know what I'm saying? In my opinion. You feel me? That's just me, though. Man, like, I'll be contrarian a lot. You know what I'm saying? That shit. I'm going to tell you, though, like, it's best to just trade with the trend. What was I going to show you? Oh, the VIX. Look. Look at that. Just a V shape. So volatility was going down, right? Starting at lunchtime all the way to like 12:40, and then then the VIX started going back up. So I want to see what that course, and look, these are in the money. What I want to see is where does that correspond to, like, on the actual charts. So around 12, the VIX was what, going down? Yeah. Then 12:30, it started going up, like 12:40. So we dropped, and then we started trending up. So the VIX was going down, then it went back up. Now it's going down again. At the same time, I'm seeing the SQQQ and SOX S, also the Russell bouncing here. The Russell just actually broke above 178. Okay, see what I'm saying? Yeah, just from a risk to reward standpoint, is what I'm saying. Like, okay, I mean, up $180. Okay, that's like not enough. Like, let's at least try to get it to 200. You know what I mean? For a nice little scalp. Actually, the scalp's there. Like, I could take profits right there. That's what scalping's for. Look, this is ominous. This wick right here. Oh Lord. See, I should have taken profits. Well, let's give it a chance. But this wick right here is ominous. But the only reason why I'm not tripping off of it so hard is because we've been consolidating down here, and we started trending up. And I've seen setups like that where you'll see a bearish ass wick, you know what I mean? But the trend will ultimately continue. And that's what it's looking like it's setting up to do. You know what I mean? Let's do some technicals here. There's really no technicals to do because we've been consolidating and chopping around down there, bro. So, like, there ain't really no technicals. I mean, you just have to go off of psychological levels. So 360. First of all, let's get rid of all that. And the next level that's going to give us issues is going to be 360. Man, I wish I could just type it in, bro. Like on every other platform, you could just type it in. And I'm sure you can do it on here too. Oh, look at us trending up now. Look at that, bro. What I said, baby. I mean, you get, oh, see, I can take profits here. What that is? Okay, it's not 200 yet. 193. But hold on. Because if we start trending up and actually reverse, you know what I mean? I'm saying that's, you feel me? I don't want to shortchange myself. At the same time, bro, like Apple's bouncing off a triple bottom. Tesla bottomed out and started trending up, and looks like it's attempting to trend up again. You got Nvidia's been consolidating for the whole day, damn near, from like 9:50 till now, consolidating around you know what I mean, 413. Actually a quad bottom at about 413 and a quarter on Nvidia. Now Amazon, I don't know what's been going on with Amazon. That thing's just been dumping. I'm watching Baba as well for the gap fill.
Market data connection lost.
Oh, there go the attacks. It's all good. Is the stream still
Market
on?
data connection re-established.
Hey, bro, I'm done trading, bro. So what you trying to stop? The stream? Like, I don't get it. Hey, bro, the attacks, bro. Right? But see, like, I mean, on the scalping
Market
tip,
data connection lost.
on the see, on the scalping tip, I would have took that right there. It was close
Market
to.
data connection re-established.
It was close to 200. You feel me? But let's just see, because after a run up like this, I mean, you'd expect a pullback, right? Oh shit. Oh shit. I mean, pulling back to the 9, I'm fine with. Actually, I rather that. Because, I mean, just ripping to the upside is unsustainable. But bro, see, I don't have the thing like my OBS set up where it could switch screens and show you like the different. Look at this heat map, bro. Oh, that shit red, bro. Pulling back to the 9, I'm fine with. You feel me? Now I could go ahead and just get out. You know what I'm saying? For $50. But dog, I was just up about 200. So I wonder what like someone else would do in this situation. You feel me? But they're seeing all these wicks and it's looking like we're about to dump. Do you just let the trade play out, or do you see profits, take profits, and reassess? That's what I usually do. But obviously, I'm just in it right now for the screen time. You feel me? But for sure, like earlier, I had the same kind of setup, but not the same setup, but the same scenario. Like I freaking snatched profits off the table quick. But like, you know what I'm saying? When I'm just basically trying to get my screen time in, like, obviously I'll you know what I'm saying, be a little more lax. It's just looking like right here, I mean, this is critical. 359 and 3/4. You feel me? That's critical. Right here. And again, it's a contrarian trade, but again, bro, like, I mean, just based off the price action, like this looks like like we're consolidating all day basically. So either we finally crack it and break down, or we at least start to trend up a little bit. Not to say that we finish green on the day, but I mean, if we start trending up enough and we get to this gap fill zone, we could gap fill to the upside. You feel me? So that'd be around 361 and a half, I guess. If we find ourselves around that level, around that handle, we could go ahead and gap fill. But I mean, the market is just bearish as hell. Like, I caught some decent fades. Oh shit! I caught some decent fades earlier. See, now I'm about to get stopped out here. One of my rules are not to move my stop and shit, but it's not right. like my like see when I moved it, it's moving too fast. I can't get it right. But if I go up too much, it'll go all the way up and stop me out. You feel me? And I don't want that. I mean, that's a pretty hefty lows right there. So like about 160 to 130. That's with 30 cents per contract. So $30 per contract. I mean, that's a decent amount. I mean, it depends on the size you're trading with though. Like, I mean, obviously if you just have a couple contracts, it's not nothing, but like when you're trading with 10 or more contracts, 10 or 20, like in this instance, like I would have just snatched profits off the table here, bro. Now, let's see. We don't want to get spooked out. You know what I'm saying? But I mean, I'm starting to get a little spooked now. Hold on. Dude, I just see us consolidating, man. The S&P 500, 4350 is where we're trading at now. See, it looks like we've been consolidating, but if you look at the S&P 500, it's been consolidating, but it seems like it's been stepping down lower and lower. And like, my bad, like usually I would have it set up where I can actually switch to the different like my different monitors, so you can see the other charts. But I mean, I just don't. Like, I've done it a million times, and like I have to keep resetting it and like fixing everything. It's like too much work, bro. All right, we're dumping. Hold on. Let's get back. Let's get back over here and see what the hell's going on. Okay, so down here, right? 359.50s. We were cracking key levels, bro. But at the same time, like, who knows if my market data is even right, bro? Like, you heard that shit? Market data connection lost. Market data connection reestablished. That's what you call DOS attacks, like denial of service. You know what I'm saying? But I just want to know, like, you know what I mean? I don't know who has what against me, but I haven't done anything to anyone, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? See, I should have took that scalp. But let's see. Look, even Nvidia consolidating. Look, let's look at this Nvidia chart. Look at this. Look, all day, bro. Yeah, we dumped and we're bearish as hell, but it's like we're getting to a point where we're just refusing to go lower, and it's reminiscent of consolidation. Okay, you got SOXS and the SQQQ looking like it wants to bounce. Also, the VIX is going up. I need to go back and manage my trade real quick before I get stopped out. I'm just trying to show you. Look at Nvidia. Just consolidating down there, bro. Okay, Okay, we pushed up. They were selling into it. But look, even with all that selling, was a green candle. We're coming down. See, now if we come down here and break below all this chop here, where's the low a day at? See, I don't even have all that set up on this setup. Gee, this is ominous. Like I would have stopped out, dude. Oh shit. Oh shit. See, this ain't right though. Like, the risk to reward is bad because it's definitely not 3 to 1. And like, I think we put in a new low. Like, all right, let me do this real quick. Let me grab this, just slide it all the way down so I don't get stop on it. Will I mess with my parameters? Whoa, whoa, whoa. See that? That's not my normal risk to reward. I just did that so I can tinker with my parameters real quick. Hold on. I want to see I want like the high and low and shit on here, bro. All right, high, low. All right, so the low is 359.17. So even when we dumped right here, this is actually looking like a liquidity grab setup right here. You come down, and then the candle on the right wicks all the way down, and then we rip to the upside. That is a liquidity grab setup. But let's see if it has enough follow through to first break through this key level. 359.5 is the key level right now. And then 25-cent increments. The next one up would be 75, and then obviously 360 flat. You feel me? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see if what was support now becomes resistance. But see, look at all this chopping around and consolidating right here. So there's something down here, which we just freaking like cracked. But look, right about there, you got a level. I mean, that was a liquidity grab setup. But dude, the market is just bearish as hell, and yeah, that was a contrarian trade. All right, so like now, let's get this stop right. $157 to $130. I'd like it to be more like, you know what I'm saying, 135 or something. Oh. What did I say? Just liquidity grab setup, bro. When that wick, this one, like when we're bearish and dumping, and then the next wick, the next candle opens and it just wicks all the way down, we usually, it's usually a liquidity grab. But like, what makes me second guess it is the bearishness of the market. You know what I'm saying? Like, when everything's either to one extreme or the other, like all the little nuances and shit, like basically go out the window. You know what I mean? Same thing like when there's a major catalyst, like FOMC, and all that, like technicals and fundamentals or whatever, like all that shit goes out the window, like all your nuances. You know what I mean? But like in any normal situation, this would have definitely been a liquidity grab, and looks like it still might be. We're having trouble at 359.50s. You would expect that. I mean, it is a psychological level. 359 and a half. You feel me? But dude, just looking at the heat map, the only thing, and that's how you know it's bearish, because like everything's red when I just looked at my watch list. Like my dividend plays were in the green for a second. Like for instance, Altria Group, ticker symbol MO. Usually when the market's bearish as hell, you'll see like the dividend plays green. And what I really need to figure out is how to watch the dollar on here. I know there's a way to do it. I just don't know what ticker symbol to type in. It's like, I know on TradingView it's DXY, but on here it's something different. Like when I try to type in DXY, it brings up Dixie Group, or if I try to type in USD, then it, I guess, thinks that I'm trying to trade Forex or something, which I know nothing about. If anyone knows what the symbol is to watch the dollar on IB, I need to know that information. Instead of me having to freaking go open up like, Google, or I'm just moving my stop down for a second while I look at stuff, because I don't want to just get stopped on it real quick. All right, so let's. Hold on, let me see something real quick. 'Cause we're looking pretty bearish here, bro. I mean, earlier, bro, I just caught the fade a couple times, bro, and I was done. Never like to overstay my welcome. All right, the stops move down. Let's see something real quick. Yeah, they own me, bro. I don't know why they trying to. They own me bad, dude. Look at this. Look at the heat map. I mean, Microsoft, okay. Microsoft's up a little bit. Besides that, you just have a couple of things in healthcare. Even energy's in the red, bro. So, I mean, that's pretty bearish. What's going on over here? All right. Let me see something. Look first, then leap, huh? See what the dollar's doing. The dollar's ripping to the upside. That's why we're dumping. We're dumping more. Oh shit, hold up. I gotta monitor this, because now the Qs are on the lows, and I feel like it's just gonna keep running against me. But at the same time, they're not zero DTEs either. So maybe I called the bottom too early, and that's okay. But if we do happen to actually find the bottom at some point, then I'll average down. You know what I mean? I don't have none of my tools here. There's like really no technicals, bro, because we just been freaking trading sideways. 359.50. We gotta break back above that if we're gonna see any movement to the upside. Okay. What are we trading at now? We're breaking down another 25-cent increment. Or we were. The 359.25. And then so 359.50, and then 359.75, but 360. And what do I have? I think I have the 360s. So look, when we ran up here, I could have took profits. See, look, Altria Groups in the green. I got that thing in the dividend. Look, this is the 5-minute. We're bouncing like this on the 5-minute. Look, 800, look, 750,000 shares traded right here. Look, 500,000 almost here. $450,000. 460,000. It's looking like all buying. 466, 471, 475, 484. So pulling back to retest 359.50s. I mean, if you're truly long and you want to see this thing trend up, that's what you want to see, as long as we don't break down that level, and more specifically crack the 9 EMA. But I mean, those are two pretty bullish looking candles. You feel me? So you would expect maybe some type of healthy pullback off that. I don't know if that's wishful thinking, but let's do this. Let's do this. All right, so there's your there's your downtrend. Right? I mean, wicking to the downside off of a key level, off the 9 EMA and the trend line. I'm not gonna lie, that's bearish as hell, bro. I ain't even going front. But I mean, then you got 359 down here. We could bounce off 359. Hold on. How close are we to that stop? We're just gonna put 359 down here, just to let us know. I mean, if we come down there and start looking weak and we can't hold it, might be over with for the bulls. You feel me? I mean, I hope that my market data is right, bro. Like, they fucked something up. I lost some market data, so I don't know, like, if that now puts me back. You know what I'm saying? Like, if the timing's off or something. You feel me? $359.05.07. We're coming down to test 359. This is the point of no return right here, bro. If we can't hold 359, bro, like, And I'm not gonna lie to you, like, more times than not, it does not pay to be contrarian. I'm gonna tell you that off rip. The trend is your friend. But what I'm saying is, if we are going to at least, I mean, not just see a total bleed out, you feel me? Bro, Sox S, the S triple Q, and the VIX are all popping, bro. So, I mean, honestly, it's, I'd rather be fading right now. But at the same time, Tesla, for instance, not on the lows. I mean, Nvidia looks like it put in a fresh low. Russ is trying to bounce here. The Russell 2000. You feel me? He was trying to bounce. Russ was looking like MVP Russ for a second. Yo, you motherfuckers, like, bro, I'm just inundated with spam and like little fucking like hacks and bullshit like all day, every day, bro. Like, again, I'm telling you that's why I don't like make a lot of finance content anymore, bro. And definitely not live stream. Alright, let's put this on Do Not Disturb. Matter of fact, let's turn the phone. Let's just turn this motherfucker off. Look at that. Just, oh, it's loud, bro. It's loud. And I mean, like, I mean, and this isn't to sound like boastful or like just, you know what I'm saying, like boastful. I don't know what the right word, like conceited. I know I'm not conceited, but like uh the I've been dealing with haters all my life, bro. Like even since I was a little child, bro. I swear, bro. Like and not just like the normal shit that like kids would deal with. You know what I'm saying? Like maybe like a bully at school. You know what I mean? Like that's not a hater. That's just normal shit. But like I'm talking about like grown ass adults, bro. Like, hating on the kid, bro. Doing wild shit, bro. Like when I was in elementary school and shit, bro. I'm telling you, I've been dealing with it all my life. See, we're looking weak. Now, just to be clear, if this was normal circumstances, I would not be moving my stop like this, bro. But this is just for screen time. Alright? I wish there was a way. I guess there is. I can go like this, right? Yeah. Look, this thing done ran from 158 to 125. So that's $25 on each one. I mean, that's a decent sized loss. I mean, it's not nothing that you can't recover from, but I mean, no one wants to see, no one wants to take any loss. Period. See, what's got me concerned is Apple is now down here where we bounced at earlier. You feel me? Like off the open, around 174.50s, and it's looking like it wants to crack it. You know what I mean? So Apple did crack 174.50. And it looks like it wants to continue to fade here. Oh Lord, the Qs are on the lows. That shit was contrarian. See, but now to fade, right? I feel like I'd be chasing, bro. But if we're gonna keep dumping like this, I will jump. I will jump in and join the party. But I'd want to wait and for us to bounce and like retest something. You know what I mean? But if I just felt like for some reason we're just gonna keep dumping and dumping, I just go ahead and grab the 358 puts right now. But let's see if we can at least get this thing back up. If we can start trending up to a respectable you know what I mean? A respectable loss. I want to stress to you that like in a real trading scenario, like you do not move your stop down like that. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just I'm gonna give it a chance to see if we get some type of something. I mean, we could just keep fading, bro. Because yeah, we bounced a few times, but ultimately we just kept dumping. And look, the Sox S triple Q, and the VIX are all popping hard right now, bro. Which is making me want to actually fade. Let's see. Like, say for instance, if we're able to bounce up here just for a second, I'll grab the 359 puts. If we bounce up here and we're looking weak. Let's see. What I'm like my approach right now, and look, MO, ticker symbol MO, Altria Group is in the green by a little bit, but it is. And that lets you know that people are rotating capital out of freaking the overall market and going into dividend plays. I see that a lot. Whenever the market's super bearish, all like on my long term, all my dividend plays are always in the green. So your stuff like Verizon, even sometimes, but Altria Group, Schwab US DVD equity ETF. But I mean, even that one's down today. Now, I see Apple trying to bounce. But is it dead cat? Or what? It's looking like dead cat. Because, look, I want to show you the chart real quick, but I don't want us to dump while I'm doing that. That's why I keep moving my stop down. Now, look. See, Apple was bouncing, bro. All these wicks right here, bro. Like, dude, I ain't gonna lie, that shit looking bearish. What about Meta? Look at the range that Meta gives you to trade off of, bro. Apple's bouncing, Meta's bouncing. Tesla's bouncing. Nvidia's bouncing. Amazon's even bouncing. Amazon's been bearish as hell, bro. Like, I had it in my long term, but like I sold it like at 140. But I got in at like 134 or something, or 135, and I sold it at 140. But it actually ended up running up to like 145 or something like that. But see profits, take profits, bro. Ain't no one trying to get rich overnight, bro. And I mean, if that is your idea, or if that is your motive for getting into the market, just go ahead and do that, and just be ready to put in the work. I'm not gonna lie, like, bro, trading, it's not easy, bro. It's actually, I mean, it's hard, but it's not impossible. You know what I'm saying? Nvidia came down to 410.50s. Bro, what a fall from grace on Nvidia. I mean, whoever had the presence of mind to fade that thing off that earnings pop, bro, I salute you. Because I could have swore, and I still feel like that. That by next earnings cycle, I feel like Nvidia can get to those what do you call it? Like the analyst upgrades and targets. Like by the next earnings cycle, I feel like Nvidia can get up there. So, what are they saying? Like 800? I said 1,000. But I mean, I said by next earnings cycle. I'm watching Baba. I forgot what other chart, what other shit I had set up. All right, Apple, Tesla, Nvidia, Meta, Amazon. I guess I was watching Google. I was watching ARM. And there is something to I was watching Pre-Market Prep. Shout out to Pre-Market Prep. And you know what I'm saying? Money Mitch, Triple D, and Mr. O'Connor. That's a volatile puppy, isn't it? That's like my favorite part of the intro. Oh, and Dennis Dick. I'll buy that stock for a penny. I bet a penny, bro. That shit's funny, dude. You feel me? But I need to I'm gonna do that thing that Matt Kors has been talking about. You know, the freaking affiliate link that he's been freaking shoving down our throats. What's it called again? Not the Street Beat, but the other one where you pay to trade in a prop account, and if you pass the test, you get funded. I mean, it sounds like a good idea, bro. there's costs up front. I mean, it depends on like how much the way I interpreted it, as it seems like um, the upfront cost depends on how much buying power you want. But I think for $50 is the cheapest one, and you get I don't know if it's 10,000 or 25,000 worth of buying power, and if you can show that you're profitable, a profitable trader or something, like over a certain amount of time or days or something. I don't know how it goes, but then they actually will fund an account. You could trade with someone else's money, and then it's just profit sharing, and I believe like the profit sharing percentage sounded pretty good. I think it was 90-10 split. So that means you keep 90%. I mean, shit, that sounds sweet to me, bro. And it's also, you know what I'm saying, a way to test your, you know what I mean, to test yourself, to see, you know what I mean, like, you know, you know what I mean, just like test your strategies or whatever. And like he said, it's not. It's similar to paper trading, but it's not actually paper trading because you do have money on the line. You feel me? So it's not paper trading. And then if you pass the test or whatever, you get funded. And I'm seeing Tesla starting to bounce here, along with Google. And Nvidia was catching a bid for a second. Looks like Russ was catching a bid for a second. Yeah, the Russell 2000 catching a bid. Tesla's catching a bid. Meta's catching a bid. Apple's catching a bid. Okay. The S&P 500 is mine. Let's see something. I'm trying to make sure that's muted out. All right. Let me see something real quick. 'Cause these hackers are crafty. Webcam. I want to just mute it. Oh shit, we're coming down. Hold up. Hold up. Man, I think Buddy messed up my tape, right? Kind of messed up my tape a little bit, bro. We're coming down, bro. We're coming down again, but after a run up like that, you would expect a healthy pullback. The only problem is how bearish how damn bearish the market is. But look, like for instance, if I were to show you Tesla right quick, look. Look. 257. If Tesla can break above 257, and then the market starts I'm sorry, not 257. Yeah, 257. Right there. If Tesla can break above 257 and the market is cooperating, like if it's participating, I feel like that could finally allow us to start trending up. And bro, the divergence. Actually, there's not really a lot of divergence. The S&P 500 is dumping, the SPY is dumping, the Qs started dumping, I guess. Oh, I'm watching the wrong shit. Get me back on the Qs, bro. Oh, Lord. Yeah, no divergence. Dude, I ain't gonna lie. The fade is looking like the right move right now. I wish I could show you the VIX, success, and the SQQQ all at the same time. Like that, I can't switch. I can't switch monitors. But at the same time, like if you look at SOX and the SQQQ, yeah, they're popping, but they're almost like at a double top. You know what I mean? This thing's just like going against me here, bro. That contrarian trade, you gotta be careful with the contrarian trading, bro. Especially on a day like this when the market is just bearish as hell. What time? Oh my God, we're already in power hour. Lord have mercy. Oh man, what's gonna happen on that 10 minutes of terror, dude? We could get the inverse 10 now. We could get it. Look, well, double bottom. All right, liquidity grab here. Cross over the 9 and start trending up. Here we go. Yeah, like there's not. I guess you can go to like the daily or something, but like I don't know. Intraday, I find that pre-market low and pre-market high, bro. SOXS, the SQQQ, and the VIX are all popping. I'm about to catch a piece of this fade. 358 to the downside on the Qs. Where they at? 358s. They're about $1.50. What you think? Let's see if we can break back above 358.50s first. If not, or if like we break above it and then come back and crack it again, then I will have been beat into submission, and at that point I'll be forced to flip my bias. But look, as I'm saying, SOXS, the SQQQ, they're popping, but they're like at a double top. Let me show you real quick. Is that double top? Well, I mean, it was a double top. See that? I mean, it was a double top. Now that thing's popping. I'm about to join in on this fade. If we don't come back down, right here, bro, and like the Bears don't take their foot off the gas for a second, I'll have no choice but to join in the festivities. You see the double top action? That's what I'm saying. That's like the line in the sand right there. That's success. That's triple Q. Almost the same. Look. A double top. You know what I'm saying? I'll be interested to see what the dollar's doing right now. How much volume here? 600,000 shares on this right here. And then right here, 400, about 400,000. All right, we can't break above this right here. That's it, bro. I'm about to grab. I'm about to just join the party. And again, under normal circumstances, never do that. Never move your stop down, especially if you have them set. If you have it set up already, like at, you know what I'm saying, 3-to-1, or you know what I mean, like 2-to-1 or something, 2.5-to-1. That's how I try to set up my bracket orders, no matter what. But again, these aren't normal circumstances. This is a prop account. As I told you, like, hey, I ain't gonna lie, like, I don't feel comfortable. I don't feel comfortable like live streaming and trading live, like with real money anymore, bro. But you know what I'm saying? Like I did do some trading earlier. I was done quick too, bro. I was done trading. I'll say definitely before lunchtime, like before 11 o'clock, I was done. You feel me? But because of that, because I was done so early, like, you know what I mean, for best practices, I gotta come back in the markets and get my screen time in, because look, screen time equals green time. You feel me? It's not a joke, bro. It's not like a cliche or like just something that sounds good, bro. It's really the truth. Screen time equals green time, bro. And screen time is so important because it's the price action. You have to watch the price action first of all to have a feel for the markets, and you know, I mean, you have to be able to read price action, especially if you're trading intraday, bro. Like, you have to, and the only way you learn how to read price action is from the screen time, bro. There's no other way around it. There's no shortcuts. And like, and the majority of people that like that's what they think. They think, oh, it's a shortcut or something. Like, I swear I can go like in my DMs and shit, and like, you know, at least 100 people, and they're like, oh, damn, put me on. I'm like, bro, there's like, I can't put you on to nothing, bro. Like, there's no shortcuts. Like, you have to put in the work, like, and get the screen time in, bro. But look, Meta's popping now, Tesla's popping, Nvidia's starting to pop. You know what I mean? Let me show you real quick. Since I can't just switch screens. Look at Nvidia starting to pop. I'll have to type this in. Alright. Look at Tesla. Nice little pop down here. Nice little liquidity grab right there. Look. Wick on the right. And then we start going up. From 255 up to 257.50s. Rejecting off that 120. Then you got VWAP right above it. Then you have a major psychological level here too as well. 257.50s. So I mean, you would expect for it to have trouble here, bro. Look, you got the 120 VWAP and a major psychological level. So that's something you would expect. But hold on. I didn't realize we only have 20 minutes left. I didn't realize that. Because dude, I was trying to, like, when I originally was trying to set up my stream and get on, it was like 12:30 or 1 o'clock, something like that. But bro, like, I had to do so much shit just to get online. Like, you feel me? From the attacks, dude. No, I'm not gonna lie. It's looking like we're not. Like, if we don't start bouncing here pretty soon, the hope for the inverse 10 is waning. It is. Let me make sure the stream looking good. How's the stream looking? Looking good? What about the stats? 0 drop frames. Look, Apple's trying to pop. Meta's trying to pop. Tesla's, it did fade and break down 257. But it's looking like it wants to actually break back above it. Nvidia's starting to pop. At the same time, and if you look at the SQQQ and SOX S, like that double top I was talking about, it's still intact, but barely. And now we're coming down. And look, we got 20 minutes left. Like, dude, this 10 minutes of terror, bro. What is it gonna look like? You think they just pull the rug? Or do you think we get the inverse 10 and we rip to the upside? I don't know, but I feel like I'm missing out on some good fading right now. Because I wanted to be contrarian. It's my line in the sand right here, bro. Right here, where we kind of wick down and liquidity grabbed. So here's my line in the sand. This is my line in the sand. But then I got one more right here. But I can tell you, just from looking across the markets right now, we're dumping like there's some buyers, bro. Like Meta's trying to bounce, Google's trying to bounce, even Amazon's trying to bounce. Nvidia was bouncing, and it's trying to push up. Tesla broke down 257. It's having trouble getting back above that. Apple broke down 174.50s. It's having trouble getting back above that. Meta is trying to rip. Nvidia's trying to do its thing. So is Tesla. So is Google. So is Amazon. Even the Russell's trying to bounce here. Okay, Apple breaks above 174.50s. Let's see if we can open a new candle above that. There's 5 seconds left. Okay, new candle opened above that level, but it was right on it. That don't mean nothing. The opportunity cost, though, yeah, obviously hindsight is 2020. What I should have did is took profits here and then flipped and caught the fade. Right. That's what I'm here for, bro. To show you, you know what I mean? Like, well, I'm not going to say show you or teach you anything. I'm just going to show you the different scenarios. You know what I mean? That's all. See, I don't like that, because we just cracked the 9, and there's 15 minutes left. I mean, dude, I honestly feel like we can get the inverse 10, which means instead of us freaking them pulling the rug at 350, we actually bounce at 350. And if we bounce hard enough, I feel like the dip buyers, the chasers, the FOMOers, and everyone else may try to jump on the bandwagon. Okay, the S&P 500 at 43.39. Almost at 43.40. The SPY 432.25. I mean, if you look at the cues on the 5 minute, here, I'll just do it real quick. Look. Higher low, higher low. Trying to trend up. And that's on the 5 minute. It's not the 1 minute. So there's a little more substance to those higher lows. But I ain't gonna lie, like, normally with the market being this bearish, I wouldn't even be in the trade. Like, especially if I'm down on it going into this 10 minutes of terror, bro. I'm gonna keep it real with you. See, we're consolidating, then we dumped. Came down here. We need the Qs to hold the 9 right now. Pull back to the 9. Don't crack it. Tesla's pushing up. All right, Tesla broke above 257.50s. Nvidia's going on a run off that nice double bottom. George W. All right. Meta, nice double bottom. I mean, you could call it a triple bottom or a quad bottom, depending on where you draw your level from. But Apple gave back that 174.5, which honestly makes me feel like we're about to dump. And now look, the Q's cracked the 9 EMA. Look at that wick though. There's buyers here. There's buyers here. But with Apple freaking giving back that level, and then Tesla pushing up, and then freaking giving back, Nvidia's look, it has a bullish looking pattern. Look, where's Nvidia at? Oh god, you see that? See that wick, and then a wick to the upside. That's usually bullish. Like when you see like some bear, like a wick, and then you see the opposite wick going the other way. I mean, that's usually bullish. Sorry, but the market's just too bearish, bro. Again, I was trying for a quick contrarian scalp, and it did work. I just didn't take profits. But again, like if this wasn't my prop setup, like my paper trade. Look, there's the 10 minutes of terror. They dumped on it. They dumped on it. So we got the usual 10 minutes of terror. See, I mean that's bad, bro. That's bad. But again, they're not zero DTEs, so I probably would be willing to swing those if it wasn't a prop, if it wasn't like a prop account. But and again, if this wasn't my prop account, dude, I would have took profits here. You know what I'm saying? And now there's like 9 minutes left. Let's see if we can get a little. No, Apple's looking like it wants to dump. I mean, Meta's bouncing. Google is dumping. Apple is dumping. Tesla is fighting but dumping. Nvidia is dumping. So that's what, $50 per contract. Oh god, I don't even want to see it. Everything's on the lows. Dude. I don't want to stop out, bro. I'm swinging these shits, bro. I'm swinging them. We could get. We'll gap up tomorrow, dude. We're getting very close to my stop. Whoa, bro. Whoa, bro. See it? Oh, wait, hold on. Never move your stop like this. What was I saying? I did want to like hedge too. It's too late now though. Look, there's no time left. I'm swinging them, dog. Bro, they just obliterated that. Right, that's why, I went all freaking cash on the long term, except for a couple dividend plays, bro. Just because of this. I mean, whatever, like the money market account. I mean, it's safer. It's safer than fucking just. I mean, unless you're like your long term goes way back, but mine don't go back that far, bro. Like, not years, like a year or two, dude. That's it. And once I seen it starting to look bearish, I was like, hell no, I'm out. I'll just sit on the sidelines. Oof. What? Some buyers coming in here, bro. See, that makes me think that we could gap up, like over like overnight. Like after hours in pre-market could possibly gap up, but dog, we're just getting slaughtered. Hey, and the FedEx earnings were looking decent. I was under the impression that FedEx is like a barometer, kind of. But I guess that shit didn't work this time because the FedEx earnings were decent and we kept up, but it just wasn't enough. See, I need to figure out how to get rid of this. Oh, can I cancel it?
Order cancelled.
We're canceling that, bro. Cause they might do some crazy shit. Swing it down or something, and then I get stopped out. But I don't think after hours, I don't think your stop and all that shit will work. It's only during market hours. Still, who knows? Bro, we just faded, dog. That's crazy, bro. Oof. Bro, I'm freaking, dude. Like, I would have been hurting right now, boy. Dude, if I didn't freaking damn near go all cash in the long term, bro, I would have been so fucking pissed. Oh, excuse my language, bro. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to curse like that. Damn, 358? We're gonna give up 358 too? Oof. Bro. Never. See, that's how you blow up your account right there, bro. Like, trust me, if this wasn't a prop account, bro, like, I would not. First of all, I wouldn't move my stop, and I would have took profits here. Just letting you know, this is a paper trading account, bro. It's a prop account. It's not real money. In other words, because dude, like, I can't, in confidence live stream and trade at the same time live. I can't, bro, because I keep getting DOS attacked, bro. Like, I lose my market data and shit. Like, and also, it tends to happen, you know what I'm saying, when the trade is going in my direction and I'm already up on it. That's when my shit just starts getting hit. Market data connection loss. I had to freaking, like, I couldn't, bro. I'm gonna tell you what's crazy. Like, all the work I did on my shit, like, I still couldn't get it off. Like, whatever fucking routine they installed on my shit, I couldn't get it off. I had to get a whole new computer, bro. Was that some crazy shit or what? Hey, congrats on anyone that caught that fade though, bro. I mean, I'm talking about the whole fade. Like, from like here, bro, down to here, or from here down to here. I mean, I caught a couple fades. I mean, nothing life changing, and there it goes. That's market close, bro. But we'll see what happens. We'll see if we gap up or start trending up or something. But the way it's looking, I wouldn't be so sure. I definitely wouldn't bet the farm on it. But I mean, we'll see. We'll see. Because there was no gap. We didn't gap up or gap down. Or actually, we did. I think my chart parameters aren't right. Hold on. No, that's right. Ask option volume. Blah, blah. Low cursor price. Yeah. Oh, that's right. This thing continuing to dump. Look, starting to see a little bounce. We'll see. We'll see if we start trending up or we gap up. But that shit was bearish, bro. Damn. I mean, like for all my people out there that are like, you know what I mean, looking crazy, like your long term. I mean, I'd just be dollar cost averaging. You feel me? But not all at once. But I mean, if you got a decent long term with some decent plays in it, you know what I'm saying? Like, when we're fading like this, you should be like DCA like dollar cost averaging. Well, actually, I don't know what you should be doing because I'm not a financial advisor. And anything I say is definitely not a suggestion to buy, hold, or sell. But that's what I would do. Yeah, average down, bro. You know what I mean? But when we're dumping like this, you know what I mean? What that means for your long term is you can go shopping. Feel me? That's all that is. Go shopping. But I mean, the SPY's continuing to leak here, getting close to 431. The Q's also continuing to leak here, now 357.50s. Man, the contrarian trade did not work here. How much is that? 150 to 75. So 75 cents on each one. I mean, that's a decent amount. That's a decent amount. But it's I mean, it's not you know what I mean, like it's it's not nothing that you can't recover from, bro. Dumping, and who knows? Like, I don't even know if my market date is right. You seen them hit it. Like, I lost my market data connection like 5 times. So who knows? Well, Tesla's coming down here. Well, nice little double bottom. So I mean, it'd be nice if Tesla can hold 255.50s. Feel me? I keep forgetting. Y'all can't see that trade. But yeah, what a bearish day, bro. Like, wow, dude. Uh, I mean, all I can say is, you know what I mean? If I had mad shit in my long term right now, like, I'd be looking for places to average down or dollar cost average, bring your average cost down. But again, not financial advice. That's what I would do. But, I mean, I just basically went all cash, except for um but I couldn't go all cash and uh you know how you have like the college fund um uh brokerage, like the college fund account, like obviously you can't go all cash in that. Like, I don't even know what's in it. You know what I'm saying? But they pick it for you. Look, okay. I mean, that's what you would want to see. Um, You know what I mean? Especially if you're in this trade, definitely would want to see that. Like, I mean, again, there's only one person that has a crystal ball, bro. So no one really knows what's going to happen. But in my estimation, I feel like we gap up tomorrow or something. You feel me? Also, the problem with that is tomorrow's Friday. But that doesn't really mean anything. Shit. Still got my phone off. Yeah. Tomorrow's Friday. So, I mean, we could still gap up and trend up, but towards the end of the day, I mean, all bets are off. Because you're going to have people taking profits and shit. Like, you know what I mean? From the week. So that could cause some extra downward momentum on the markets. Yeah, I mean, you're already starting to see it. Starting to trend up after hours. And I feel like we're going to continue to trend up. And we may even gap up. And we'll come back and revisit this trade tomorrow to see how it actually worked out. You feel me? But like I said, never move your stop unless you're already up on the trade and you're letting it run. Then you move your stop up to protect your gains. You feel me? But anything short of that, don't do it. I just did it because, again, like I was just trying something, and this is a prop account, so it's like it's a sim account, simulated trading. You feel me? And that's how you know. That's how you know, bro. Like, when I say screen time equals green time, bro, like, I mean that. Because like, I was done, I was done trading, like I said, before 11 o'clock. You know what I'm saying? But I know that in order to continue to work on my craft and get better, I need the screen time. Like, it's a must. You feel me? So that's why I'm back on. And I decided to go ahead and just do a quick live stream, you know what I'm saying? To show some face with grace and taste. You feel me? But anyways, we're going to revisit this trade and see how it worked out. Now, my only concern is they're not 0 DTEs, but only went out a day. So if I'm right and we start to trend up and we gap up, like, I'm going to be, chomping at the bit to get out of this thing, even at break even. Or, I mean, if we're bullish enough, they could actually go in the money. And they were in the money here. Like, I mean, it was only like $200. But, hindsight's 2020. I should have took it, and then I should have flipped and faded. You feel me? But woulda, coulda, shoulda. If was a fifth, guess what? We'd all be drunk. I don't drink like that, though. I don't drink that. I don't drink it. I mean, I'd have a few drinks to celebrate. But as far as just drinking to drink, I don't do this. I don't do that. Like, trust me, I got in more than my fair share of partying and drinking and doing all that dumb shit. Like, earlier. I mean, earlier in my life. And come on, you know, I don't know where everyone's from, but I'm from the dirty, baby. The South, bro. The gunshine state. You feel me? So that shit, I mean, Amazon is just falling off a cliff. A lot of shit's falling off a cliff here, bro. Amazon, Google, Meta, Apple is giving some back. Broke down 174 for a second, reclaimed it though. And then Tesla, nice little double bottom off of 255.50s. If you look at it, if you look at the Tesla chart right now. You feel me? But yeah, dude, look at the VIX. Oh my God, watch this. Holy shit. Look at that thing, dude. Oh, holy smokes. Now that with the dollar is dumping and then it started trending up. Hold on. Yeah, there we go. There it is. Dollar running up with the VIX running up usually means the market's fading. Look at this thing, dude. I mean, Microsoft held on and everything's red except for like a little section of healthcare. I mean, even energy's down today. So look. If the dollar starts coming on down here, I would expect the market to start trending on up. But what do I know, man? I don't know nothing, man. I can't tell. No one knows anything. No one knows anything. No one knows what's gonna happen, bro. Like, they don't. I mean, unless you got that crystal ball. You feel me? And if you don't know who has, if you don't know who has the crystal ball, bruh, yeah, I mean, like, if you don't know the person that has the crystal ball, you might probably need to do a little bit more research, or it would be what's the word I'm looking for? It would be not advantageous. Uh, you know what I'm trying to say, though. But anyways, Mike, it's your boy E coming at you with some finance solutions. Okay. If you learned anything or found any value in the content, don't be afraid of the like button or follow, subscribe, all those good things that the algo likes. You feel me? Uh, and again, I have the watch list. Just giving it away. But and there's some bangers on there, bro. Like, the only reason that I haven't been using the watch list really, I mean, I use it just to, like, for my updates in the morning, but the only reason that I haven't been, like, actually trading tickers off the watch list is because my strategy involves basically large caps and mega caps. You feel me? And the watch list has more like mid caps and small caps on it. You feel me? That's the only reason. But anyways, if you learned anything or found any value in the content, don't be afraid of the like button or follow, subscribe, hit the bell, and get the hell over to any one of my social media platforms and comment watch list if you want access to that watch list. I'm telling you, there's proven bangers on it. Like, I could show you, like, I have receipts, proven bangers on that thing, bro. I'm talking about shit that went up, over 100%. There's at least 15 tickers on there that had 100% or more gain. You know what I mean? From when it hit the watch list and then what it did, over 100%. At least 15, maybe even more. And keep in mind, the year isn't even over yet. Let me go ahead and clean these charts off real quick. Man, damn, bro. That's a long way to go. But if we gap up and start ripping, we could easily be up here. I'm just saying. But again, normally I would have took profits here, bro. So quick $200, and then I would have flipped and caught that fade. Trust me. I mean, it's a sim account, bro. It's like paper trading. And that's when, you know what I'm saying? That's when I like to try shit. You feel me? But yeah, I hope everyone did good out there. Was able to extract some capital from the markets. If not, surely you were able to at least keep your loser small. You feel me? That's the main goal, bro. Keep your losers small, bro. That's it. If you could, like, that's all you have to do, bro. Keep your losers small. Because if you do that, like, all you're going to incur is paper cuts. And, depending on your accuracy, you feel me? Like, one decent trade will cover, you know what I'm saying, 100 paper cuts. You feel me? So that's what you gotta do. Keep your loser small, bro. But yeah. Anyways, Mike, it's your boy E. Holla at your boy. Peace. I'm gonna get on and do some gaming too. Motherfuckers want to play Fortnite, bro. I ain't trying to play Fortnite. But anyways, peace. Hell no, you playing too many games, bro. I ain't talking to nobody, bro. Cause you keep playing games, dog. See if I made a mistake by posting that early. Yup. Should have waited till 2. The algo will pick it up, though. 'Cause that's a decent clip.